out of here. Fuck me with a bird stick. Fuck's sake, the cop. That's actually going to lose.
Garnacho's done all right with the square button, but it's not working. So we have to stop doing it at the moment. We're not winning against the five at the back. Another cross. Can we? Yes! Cross and inshallah! Cross and inshallah! Oh, Gusto! His first goal! Yes! 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 Cross and inshallah! Come on! Come on! Well done! Well done to Garnacho! Garnacho!
2 billion for that.
Got Nacho.
Lovely ball.
Yes! Oh, yes!
Come on!
Gusto!
His first goal! Malo Gusto!
Malo Gusto!
Come on.
Malo Gusto!
What a ball from Garnacho, by the way. Gusto has scored a header. It's 1-0 Chelsea. What a ball from Garnacho. For me, that was lovely from him.
Garnacho crosses it in. Gusto's there! Of all people, arguably one of our worst players the last 2 seasons. I mean, it did. It did. The commentators just said it's taken something out of the ordinary. It really, really has taken the weirdest of turns, but it's 1-0 to Chelsea. Malo Gusto with the goal. It ends the clock.
Garnacho. Gusto, yes! First Chelsea goal for Malo Gusto. Let's go. Garnacho assist, bhai. Let's go. बोल रहा था यार, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखो चैट, आएगा गोल. Yes.
Oh. Yes! Start, fucking boy! What? He comes on! He fucking comes on! And only 2 minutes into coming on, his brother fucking assists! What now? What now? He should have been on this pitch fucking from the beginning, because that's what he does. He comes on and he makes shit happen immediately. Don't fuck with me. Don't play with me. I don't want to see this kid on the bench again. I've had enough. Don't play with me. Stop wasting our time. Stop wasting our time, bro.
Top bins. Go on, Esteban.
Yes, lovely ball.
Yay! Don't Pedro!
Straight away.
Come on!
Straight away.
Come on!
Mate, that's what you need. The ball in, drilled across the face. João Pedro has scored the goal. Mate, it's as simple as that. Get someone who's willing to get the ball in a dangerous area, and if he can't shoot and score, put it in a more dangerous area. It is simple. Sometimes 1 + 1 does equal 2. In the world we live in today, woke nonsense will tell you that it's 2.5, but it's 3.
And that's not even self-diagnosed! It's just a matter of life! And another thing! As I talk about my shitting habits, Chelsea with the second goal, João Pedro puts it in. It ends the clock.
Estevao. जाओ पेड्रो भाई, आते ही एस्तेवाओ. व्हाट अ गोल. एस्तेवाओ यार, भाई यार, एस्तेवाओ यार. ओ माय गॉड, एस्तेवाओ भाई, दिस प्लेयर मैन, दिस प्लेयर भाई. एक बॉडी फेंट, 2 प्लेयर काटे. व्हाट अ पिक भाई यार. जाओ पेड्रो, नाइस भाई साहब. कम ऑन यार, यही तो चाहिए था.
Burners on. Oh, he's got the burners on. Oh, yes! Counter-attacking football. Garnacho and Neto on the counter-attack. It's almost like they love it. It's almost like this is their heaven. Oh, don't do that shit again, please. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, my God. All right, look, let's just pretend. The celebration. You're giving me flashbacks. Let's not do that again.
Run!
Lovely. Yes.
Neto!
Yes!
That's a brilliant goal!
What a goal!
And killed them!
Come on, that is quality.
Pedro Neto.
That is quality.
Now
Mate,
he's delivered. We've asked to see
Mate,
this from him as well.
I'm going to say this, right? That is Garnacho again. That is top from Garnacho.
That's fantastic.
Crossed in, Pedro Neto! It's happened again! It's happened again! We need to talk about shit more often. Hey! 10 o'clock!
ओके गर्नाचो, भाग गर्नाचो, भाग गर्नाचो, भाग गर्नाचो। पेड्रो नेटो कौन गाली बका पेड्रो नेटो को? कौन गाली बका पेड्रो नेटो को? बताना पेड्रो नेटो को कौन गाली बका भाई? कौन गाली बका पेड्रो नेटो को? कोई बता, एक बार बता दो भाई। कौन गाली बका पेड्रो नेटो को?